Hi there. Hey, nice to see you. I'm Sam. What's your name? I'm Ria. Nice to meet you, Sam. Nice to meet you too, Ria. So, where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. What about you? I'm from Kolkata. And where is your father from? He's from Delhi. And your father? He's from Pune. What about your mother? Where is she from? She's from Chennai. How about your mother? She's from Kolkata. Same as me. Cool. So, how old are you? I'm 18. You? I'm 17. How old is your father? He's 45. What about yours? He's 48. And your mother? She's 43. How old is your mother? She's 40. What are you like? I think I'm friendly, curious, and a bit talkative. You? I'm quiet, but I'm helpful and creative. What is your father like? He's hardworking and serious, but he tells good jokes sometimes. Okay, nice. My father is calm and very smart. And your mother? Oh, she's caring, patient, and really good at cooking. What about your mom? She's cheerful and always full of energy. That's lovely. Yeah. Anyway, it was nice talking to you. Same here. See you around. Bye, dear. Bye, Sam.